Hi, Danielle. How are you doing today?
Well, I'm fine though. I we've been experiencing some difficulties right now, but yeah, we've been fine as of now.
Great, that's good to hear. So for today, I'm just gonna conduct a short interview to you. And before you introduce yourself to me, I just wanted to let you know that all of the information that you would give me, will be using it for educational purposes only. Okay?
Okay. Okay, I understand.
Okay, perfect. Okay, great. That is great. All right. So for the first one, kindly introduce yourself to everyone, please.
Well, my name is Daniel Salaver Santos. I was born in Tanay Rizal and I was 21 years old.
I see. Well, that's great. That's good. And may I know what is your former school before?
My former school when I was in senior high school was State College Tanay. But if you're talking about in high school, I was enrolled in Marciana P. Catales Memorial National High School, also here in Tanay.
Oh, great. That is great. So, and also, so you really grew up in Tanay, right?
Yeah. I'm sorry, but my signal was a bit stuttering. So could you repeat the question?
Oh, yes, yes. I'm sorry. I was just asking if you really grew up in Tanay.
Yes, I was born and raised here in Tanay by my parents.
Oh, that's great. That's great. And what about now? What school or what university are you going in right now?
As of now, I was taking the course of BSed English in Polytechnic University of the Philippines in Taguig, where I was
Oh, I
currently
see. So you
staying right now.
moved. Oh, that is great. That is great. And being in the educational course, is that your dream course?
Yes, that's my dream course since I was a
I
kid.
see. Oh, I see. That is great. That's good to hear that you're slowly, achieving your
Yes.
dreams. That is great. That's good to hear. All right. So regarding with so since you have already introduced yourself to everyone, these are the questions that I'm gonna ask you to regarding with some issues or some questions regarding with our topic today. Okay.
It's okay.
Okay. All right. So the first question here is, okay, just a moment. All right. So the first question here is, what is the meaning of a poem for you?
Again?
Oh, I'm sorry. I was just asking if what is the meaning of a poem for you?
Oh, okay. A poem for me is something that a short literary text where it was composed of
Mm-hmm.
whether it is a lyrical or non-lyrical concept of yeah, literary concept.
I
Also,
see. Great. That is good.
sometimes
Mm-hmm.
it was used by the famous like William Shakespeare. He has that kind of poem that Hans Christian Andersen and so much more.
Oh, nice. That is nice. That is nice. And also, may I know what is the inspiration? What is your inspiration on writing poems?
For me, writing an poem depends on what or the inspiration you have could have is maybe what you're feeling or what could be the scenario that you're having right now. It could also be a past experiences that you really want to share in a type of way wherein it is a lyrical or a not lyrical.
Awesome. Thank you. Thank you for that. And also, I'm sorry. May I know how did you start writing poetry or poems?
Um, I used to write poems and poetry when I was in high school, especially on my
Mm.
English subject before because um, we were required to do that kind of things. But uh, things get
Mm-hmm.
uh, from time to time I do like it.
Oh,
I
I
ended
see.
up doing,
Well,
liking it.
I see. That's great. That's great that sometimes whenever our teachers give us some exercises that we need to do, and then we end up loving it,
Yes,
that's just nice. Okay.
yes.
And also, may I know what language do you prefer on writing poems? I mean, do you like writing writing it in Tagalog or in English?
Actually, I don't limit myself on English or in Tagalog. I try to maybe combine them in a unique way, or even describe them in a way that I could
Mm-hmm.
show, or I could easily project the feeling that I wanted them to feel. So it could be
That's
any of
great.
the language.
Oh, that's
Yes.
great. That's great. That is good to hear that you don't limit yourself on what
Yes.
language would you prefer. That is great. And also, who is your favorite poet? Do you have one?
As I've just given an example, I really do the works of William Shakespeare, because for me, the way that
Oh, I
uh,
see.
he he delivers every message that he wanted to
Mm-hmm.
for the people to know was really unique and meaningful and deep.
I see. Well, yes, William Shakespeare is a great inspiration, though, because
Yes.
he's one of the most known poet there. Yeah, that is right. And also, may I know what is your favorite poem and why?
One of the poems that I really like about of his work was the sonnet. I think it's 135. Actually,
Oh, I see.
yeah, I really love that because that's the first poem that was introduced to us when I was in high school, and that's for me that's the start of me liking the poem or making poems.
Oh, I see. That is great. That is great as well. And could you give us some advices that, or you can give us some advices that you wanted to give for those people who wanted to start writing poems?
Uh, um, the one advice that I could give for those people who really wanted to write
Mm-hmm.
poems is write poems through their hearts, not just because they wanted
I
to
see.
write it, but rather um,
Mm-hmm.
let the poem speak itself. If whether you're feeling that you're scared and you can't talk about it, you could use the poems uh, to tell everyone what you're really feeling. In that way, um, it that kind of poem would really
Mm-hmm.
show, will give a meaning, or the work that you're doing will give the meaning. That that's all.
I see. Yes, that is great. Everything comes into life when you do it by heart, right? Even in cooking.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, and yes, and lastly, as a future educator, how will you teach your students in writing poems? Do you have any strategies?
Yeah. Actually, for if you're in the future, maybe one thing that I could
Mm-hmm.
really introduce to them is maybe showing them those some of my works that I've done before, where I could share it to them,
Nice.
wherein maybe I would let them uh, uh, decode what could be the message that I was uh, portraying in that kind of poem. Maybe in that way
Yes.
they would be intrigued, or maybe it could be a way wherein they could make their own poems and hide some messages.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, great. That is great. Well, actually, that is one great strategy. That's the only strategy that I have heard from you, right? And so there, well, actually, I
Yes.
am all done with the questions that I should be asking. So is there anything else that you wanted
Oh,
to tell us or you wanted to advise us?
nothing else. I just enjoy this
I see.
interview right now.
That's good. That's great that you have enjoyed with our interview. And we hope to see you soon next
Yes.
time again, Daniel. Thank you. Mhm. Thank you.
We
So
hope to see
have
you
a nice
soon
day
too.
today.
Thank you so much
Okay.
for
Have a nice day.
Yes.
Bye
Thank
bye.
you. You too. Bye.